third nostril hidden somewhere.
I wish. The BLT's my favorite sandwich ever.
Shut up, mine too. Do you want half? Oh, excuse me, I just blabbed.
You better check yourself, girl. You better check. It's pretty strict, huh?
You have no idea. You've got to use your core.
Will you use your core with the side of taquito? Will you use... Actually, I'll call it porridge. It's pretty strict, huh?
You have no idea.
Final... Will you use your...
You've got to use your core.
Will you use your core with the side of taquito?